F-150 Lariat, 4D SuperCrew, 5.4L V8 EFI 24 VFFV, 4WD, one-touch open-close power moonroof, leather-trimmed 40/20/40 front seat, and overhead console with single storage bin. Are you looking for an used vehicle that is in incredible condition? Well, with this good-looking 2010 Ford F-150, you are going to get it. Motor Trend reports F-150 is a combination of advancement in design, engineering excellence, efficiency, safety, value and performance. New Car Test Drive called it comfortable on bumpy streets around town, over rugged terrain like construction sites, farms and utility roads, and on the open highway. This terrific Ford is one of the most sought-after used vehicles on the market because it never lets owners down.